जैसे ही इकोनॉमिक्स 11th में आए वैसे ही एक जोर का झटका लगा। कहाँ 9th-10th की इजी इकोनॉमिक्स और कहाँ सडनली माइक्रो इकोनॉमिक्स स्टैटिस्टिक्स वाला झोल। पर टेंशन मत लो, तुम्हारी प्रॉब्लम का सोल्यूशन आई प्रेप की एनिमेशन वीडियोस हैं। आज इस वीडियो में हम स्टैंडर्ड 11th की इकोनॉमिक्स का एक बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक लेकर आए हैं, इसलिए ज्यादा टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करते हैं और सीधा सीधा चलते हैं उस टॉपिक पर।
Factors determining price elasticity of the demands. Elasticity of demand on the nature of the goods. The price elasticity of the demand sometimes depends on the nature of the goods and the accessibility of some nearly close substitutes of that good. For food items, as being utmost necessary for livelihood, the increases in the prices do not alter its demand in the same level. But the luxury items exactly follow the nature. That is, the price hikes necessarily reduces their demands. Thus, daily used commodities appear to be inelastic, but the luxury and other goods appear more price elastic in their nature. Elasticity and expenditure. The expenditure on the product will go down when the percentile reduction in the quantity to be bought is greater than the percentile increase in the price range. In its opposite scenario, the expenditure will increase. While the percentile decline in quantity becomes equal with percentile increase in price, the expenditure remains constant from the perspective of the consumer. On the other hand, the percentile increase in quantity becomes greater than the percentile decrease in price range. The expenditure is caused to grow. The opposite happens when the expenditure on the good of the consumer goes down. When the percentile increase in quantity is greater than the percentile change in price, the good is called price elastic. The expenditure on the good will change in the same direction by the rate of price changes only when the percentile change in quantity is lesser than the percentile change in price. The expenditure then stays constant there. Demand curve and rectangular hyperbola. When the demand curve shapes like a rectangular hyperbola, it becomes a downward sloping curve. Here, at any 2 points on the curve, the areas of two formed rectangles with vertical y-axis of the graph becomes same. There the price and quantities product becomes constant.
इतने कम टाइम में इतने फन तरीके से तुम्हें इकोनॉमिक्स 11 का फंडा क्लियर हो गया, और क्या चाहिए भाई। तुम कहोगे नोट्स, असेसमेंट्स और भी कई चीजें। ये सब चीजें पाने के लिए और ऐसी वंडरफुल एनिमेशन वीडियोस, टीचर वीडियोस देखने के लिए नीचे दिए गए हुए आई प्रेप सुपर ऐप के लिंक को डाउनलोड करना मत भूलना और इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना मत भूलना। कीप ऑन लर्निंग, कीप ऑन शाइनिंग। टिल देन, बाय बाय।